How to close apps running in the background on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to close apps from the app switcher. First, unlock your iPhone. If your iPhone has Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle. This will open the app switcher, where you'll see the apps currently open. Now, swipe left or right to find the app you want to close. To close an app, simply swipe its preview up and off the screen. Repeat this process for any other apps you want to close. If your iPhone has a home button, double-click the home button to open the app switcher, then swipe up on the app previews you want to close. Keep in mind that you don't need to regularly close every app on your iPhone. iOS automatically manages apps in the background, and constantly force-closing apps can sometimes use more battery when you reopen them. If an app is frozen, unresponsive, or not working properly, closing and reopening it can help fix the problem. And that's it! You've successfully closed apps running in the background on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.